Hello everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. This is Anandita. Thank you so much for being here today. And I'll be doing a zodiac reading for all the Aries from 1st to 15th of August 2020. How will it be for you? Also, please remember it's a general reading, so it may or may not agree with you completely. So whatever resonates, please take that and leave the rest. So let's begin with Aries. What's in store for you? Alright, some kind of confusion going on right now in your head, and maybe it could be regarding relationships, it could be regarding some awaited result, whether you will pass, whether you will not clear, or whether to do this, whether to do that. Anything, any kind of confusion that's going on in your mind right now is definitely, becoming clearer in these 15 days of August. Things are coming under control the way you want them to happen. Stress is easing off. Things are becoming better on the family life, on the family front. I see positive vibes. I see a sense of completion, a sense of satisfaction, and the phase of dullness is definitely going. Aries, let me tell you, you are blessed. The cards are very, there's divine energy that's pouring on you at this point in time. The cards are confirming that things are extremely beneficial, going to be beneficial for you in these first 15 days of August 2020. And let's see how it's going to be on the health front. Alright, nothing major on the health front, but yes, definitely your health needs attention. Please make sure to check on yourself, check on your health. Anything that's bothering you, or if you've just been in a laid back attitude and haven't been, taking care of your health, you've just been lazy, your health has been distracted, please take care of your health. Contentment is definitely on the cards when it comes to health, but after some delay, and you need to, fix those small things that are happening in your health. Don't neglect your health, basically. There's nothing major, but don't neglect your health. It could just be some kind of a mental stress. It could just be that you've been having a very lazy attitude. You just need to charge up those muscles and bones and come back to your a good routine. So that's what the cards are telling you for health. Let's see how things are going to be on the financial aspect, financial front. Alright, the wait for a lot of you on the financial front is definitely over. If things were stagnant, if things were dull, you were still trying to figure out what to do. This is a wonderful time for you to start again. New partnerships are on the cards, or old partnerships that had stopped or had become stagnant are on the cards. Finances are going to start picking up. If you've seen a little temporary phase of stagnancy, or if you've seen things not really moving for you, it was all temporary. A new phase is definitely starting when it comes to your finances in the positive. New beginnings are on the cards. You're completely in the right direction. So for those of you who need that surety, or who need to confirm that they are starting something, or this is the way you're going to be taking care of your finances, and if you needed that confirmation, the cards are giving you the confirmation that you're on the right track. And struggle, hard work, or I won't call it struggle, but definitely you need to work hard. Things are just not going to be set that you can just be laid back. You need to work hard, but success is definitely on the cards. And listen to your intuition. I've already said that a lot of you, there's divine blessings, and your intuitions are working very well. So make sure that you listen to your intuitions, you listen to your gut feeling. Any confusions, anything going on in your head, I've already said that this time that you are facing before August is a time of confusion. You're contemplating a lot of things. So it's wonderful to listen to your gut. Once you're done with your balancing act, seeing the pros and cons, just listen to your intuition. Contentment on the financial front is also on the cards. Things are definitely coming under control the way you want them to happen. So on the whole, this month of August, the first 15 days, 1st to 15th August 2020, definitely seems to be a great time for you. A lot of you will, start new relationships. A lot of you will see your, old relationships start blooming. Again, the cards are confirming that confusions are coming to an end, and a lot of you are going to have to choose between two options. So that's something very prominent that the cards are telling me, that choices, you'll be given a lot of choices on any front. It could be relationships, it could be work, it could be career, anything. I see choices coming your way. So just make sure that you choose the right, you make the right choice. And for that, you need to listen to your intuition, listen to your gut feeling. A lot of you meet, having a reunion. Maybe your old work is starting, maybe you're meeting an old friend. Reunion is definitely on the cards. So a very wonderful and positive time for Aries. The bad period, the negative period, any stagnant period is coming to an end. Things are coming under control. Enjoy this time. And a lot of you who are feeling that things were not working for you and whatever you had built up has started depleting, please remember, just hang in there. August is very close by. Things are going to start picking up again. And whenever you're making these choices, make sure that a third person or a third party is not involved in these choices. It should be your decision completely, because the cards are in your favor. You don't need any third person at the moment. You will yourself take a balanced as well as a just decision for yourself. So let's see what the Moonology cards are, advising you. What's in store for you as guidance from the Moonology cards. Alright, the Moonology cards are definitely confirming that a new start is on the cards for all you Aries from the 1st August to the 15th August. Emotions are running very high, and I've already said that for a lot of you, new relationships, new ventures are starting, or old relationships are going to suddenly start blooming. So yes, your emotions are going to be on a roll. Please don't let your past hold you back. If you had past negative situations or something that hasn't worked for you in a certain aspect, please don't let that hold you back. Forget about it. And remember, conclusions are going to happen. Like I've already said, health for a lot of you needs to be corrected, needs to be checked, but the solution is there and it's nothing major. It's going to be concluded on a positive note. This is the wonderful time for you to shine. This is the wonderful time for you to show the world what you actually are, what your true potential is. And you need to for a lot of you who are stuck in relationships or need to go out there and make the first move, it's your time to make the first move. You need to be bold. Don't wait for the other person to come to you. It's your time. You need to do it in these 15 days. A lot of you who were just sitting back and waiting for the partner, maybe in some business work, any new venture, wherein you had to start something. Don't wait for somebody else to do it for you. It's your time. Gather the courage, and you are good enough. The Moonology cards are definitely telling you that you are good enough. Everything is going hand in hand. And like I've already said, that divine blessings are on you. The cards have also told you, just surrender to the divine. Just ask the divine, this is what I want, and then surrender it. That just, I'm leaving it to you. Whatever is best for me, please give it to me. That's what the cards are telling you. This is the guidance for you. And let's see what the miracle cards are guiding you, Aries, for the first 15 days of August. What lies ahead? Be grateful for what you have. So all you Aries, whatever is happening, it's all right, but whatever is about to come, for that you need to be in an attitude of gratitude. Whatever the universe has already given you, you will see how the clarity of thought, like I've already said that there is confusion at the moment, so the clarity of thought is definitely coming to you. Please remain calm and grounded. Your answers, your queries, whatever is in your head is getting manifested, and this is the wonderful time for you. So after all the hurry and worry, the cards are telling you that just be assured that times will now be positive for you, and look forward to new growth and progress. You've waited long enough. And also, let's see. Please remember, I've already said before, I'm all again just telling you that don't be rigid. Don't let your past hold you back. If relationships were not good in your past, or if things with a partner did not happen well on a business front, or it could be just friends who you didn't gel along with, it's time for you to allow new friends to enter your life and not let your past hold you back. Don't have over expectations from others. It's your time. You need to make the first move. You need to be bold. You need to be courage. But don't expect the other person. You can't have expectations from others. This is your doing. This is your time. And the final guidance is that expect miracles to happen. It's definitely happening for you. Look beyond yourself and aim high. So the cards have anyway said that this is your time. Don't hold back. Go ahead. New beginnings are definitely on the cards for you. If there is a problem, there is a solution. So I've already told you that please make sure that you keep your health in check, because whatever teeny meeny thing comes out, the solution is definitely there, and there is nothing to worry about. Expect the solution at an unexpected time and unexpected manner. So like that solutions will come, miracles will happen, but don't sit and wait for them. Just surrender to the divine, and the divine will give it to you when you are least expecting it. Rest, everything has been planned. You just need to execute these resources in the right manner. It could be on any front, and like I've already said, that things are all in your favor. Wonderful family life, wonderful time to celebrate, and any time of temporary dullness that you faced, or any quarrels or fightings that you faced, is all coming to an end. This is a time for new hopes, new beginnings, and new aspirations. So I hope this reading was helpful and beneficial for all you Aries. If it was, please leave your comments in the comment section. Also, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such videos. I'll be signing off now. Thank you so much.